Sir, former Vice President Leder Bredo is asking for help, in particular yung mga rubber boats. How soon?
Yeah, as soon as we can get in. We are now beginning to marshal our assets, like for example rubber boats. Hanggang Mindanao kukunin na muna namin at dadalhin namin dito sa area na pangangailangan. We just got that report from Kamsur that half the province is underwater because they live in that the basin within Albay and Kamsur. Kaya yun ang talagang tinatamaan lagi ng baha. So as soon as we can, we will go in. As soon as we can. Kung kailangan, di naman mailipad ng helicopter yun. So kailangan truck ang magpapasok. Oo. So as soon as mag-clear, alam naman ng DPWH ang gagawin nila at nakamonitor naman sila. Nandun naman ang mga tao nila, mga regional officers para magsabi when they can come in. So that's what we're waiting for now.